When you need that pick-me-up to help get you through the day, this is the breath for you. Bhastrika. Now we're inhaling and exhaling equally through our nose. The belly fills up on the inhales, empties on the exhales. So find yourself a comfortable seated position. Release the shoulders away from the ears. 10 breaths. Let's go. Inhale. Hold the breath in. Take a look at how you're feeling. Exhale, let all the air out. Breathing normally. Take a few moments just to see how the mind is feeling, how the body is feeling. If you feel you need to repeat, let's go again. One more round, 10 breaths. Inhale. Hold the breath in. Exhale, let everything go. Return to your normal breathing pattern. Pause, observe how you feel, observe your mind, your body. Take a few breaths here. Repeat as many times as you need to give yourself that boost of energy. I hope you're feeling a bit more revitalized and ready to get on with your day. Thank you so much.